So the dogs are moving, and Jonna has such a big problem with this. So we arrived to Gili T, and since the last video we managed to get over the floating dogs with a lot of screaming from Jonna.
No, it wasn't that much.
A little bit. And now we're navigating to our hotel because here's our no motorbikes, no cars, no taxis whatsoever. No Grab, no Uber, only horses and normal bikes.
And we don't take horses.
We do not take horses because Jonna likes animals.
So we walk.
And also we don't take bicycles.
Hello, my friend.
Because the girl. The girl?
No, the bikinis.
Ah, the bikinis. And also we don't take bikes because Jonna doesn't bicycle.
Boludo, can you with this bag?
Yeah, of course.
It's impossible.
It won't be a problem at all. So this is Coconut Garden Resort, and I'm doing this fast because the Jonna bomb haven't gone off yet, so we can see how it looks without being a mess. So honestly, the bathroom is the coolest thing we have. This is very cool and wet. And I'm sorry, you like that we don't have mirrors.
Oh wow! I will pee by myself.
So this is our transportation in Gili T. And apparently I'm an asshole because I'm filming her. So Jonna really looks like a pro biker. Now I got it on film.
Pro bike at the moment.
Now I have it on video. You're filming, right?
So what's happening now?
You want me to explain?
Yes.
Exactly what's happening is that I'm trying to find something in Jonna's bag.
The Jonna mess. But it's fine because we're here.
At the window
Right.
bar. Look at the sign. Free beer
Where?
tomorrow.
Ah.
I am so proud. Last night she could barely see a bicycle. She was a baby and not a grown-up, but now she's bicycling like a pro in the middle of a main street with a lot of people and just avoiding them like it's nothing. Look at that! Okay, I will film the beach instead of you. Back to you. No pressure. So it goes from sun to this in 10 seconds. And another 10 seconds after we turn off the camera, we get this.